A proper outdoor irrigation system can really make a difference in the health of your lawn and garden, but it's got to be done right. That's why I advise that this project is better left to the pros. When it comes to something as involved as an irrigation project, a licensed contractor can help you navigate the process from start to finish. Not only can they assist you in the layout of the irrigation system, they can also coordinate with the many subcontractors that might be needed along the way. A pro will also take care of any permitting and keep the project on schedule. First, a landscape crew will prep the yard by removing any dead grass, overgrown shrubs, and stubborn root systems that could impede the new landscape and the irrigation design. This can be tedious and require heavy-duty tools like a chainsaw, an excavator, or a stump grinder. Once that's complete, the yard is ready for the irrigation installation to begin. The first step is carefully trenching into the ground to lay the hub of the system, called the valve manifold, along with various irrigation lines. Some will run to drip lines and others will run to sprinklers, depending on your system's design. If you plan on catching and storing rainwater, the crew will install special downspouts that run from your home's gutters and then empty into a cistern. And these can be under or above the ground. The cistern will include a pump that, when turned on, will quickly move the rainwater into the home's irrigation lines. With the new irrigation system in place, it's time for any new landscaping to be installed. New trees and shrubs should be planted with sun and watering requirements in mind. And finally, sod is rolled out on top of the new irrigation lines and around in-ground sprinklers. While this may cost a little money up front, down the line, a professionally installed irrigation system will definitely pay off.